Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Oneplus is rolling out update for their OnePlus 5 and 5T devices, which is in the form of Oxygen OS 5.1.4 and it's a stable update. It's not a huge update, few minor improvements have been done and security patch have been updated. And if you guys haven't received the update, then you can just check it out in the description below. Download the file from there, place it inside the internal storage and do local upgrade. So I've already updated my device. Let me show you the software information. Going to system, about phone, and here you can see Oxygen OS 5.1.4, Android version is 8.1 and the security patch is now 1st July 2018. And sadly we don't have treble support on the stable version, which is available on beta version for OnePlus 5 and 5T. Nothing new available with the launcher, which is still 2.5.0. With this launcher update, few optimizations done under search tab. Hidden space is also added with this launcher. As you can see, if you swipe towards the right hand side, you get an option of hidden space where you can add any applications, and that won't be available in the app drawer. So now taking a look on the changelogs. So these are the changelogs what are available with Oxygen OS 5.1.4, which says under system, Android security patch has been updated to July 1st, 2018. After that they say added sleep standby optimizations. So this will help you get more battery life when your device is in sleep mode. So that can be found under settings, battery optimization, tap the three dots, advanced optimization, and here you have the option of sleep standby optimization. By default it is disabled. You need to enable this. You guys let me know in the comment section below how much battery does your device drain overnight after enabling sleep standby optimization. Then we have changes related to camera, which says improved photo clarity. I did not notice any kind of changes with the photo clarity, and these are the photos which I have taken using 5.1.3 and now after updating the device, that is 5.1.4. So these were the photos. Let me know in the comment section below, do you feel any kind of difference, because I do not feel any kind of difference in both the versions. After that, under messaging app they have added a group messaging option which is not available, but group MMS option is available, and I don't think anyone will be using MMS in 2018. And at last, under gallery they have done few bug fixes. So guys, these are the minor changes what they have done on 5.1.4. Now talking about the benchmark results with Geekbench application. The device scores 1921 in single core, wherein multi-core scores 6580. And with Entrado benchmark application, the device scores 1,95,545. So guys, that's it in today's video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.